Well, Coinbase has made their way back into headlines yet again, this time going to war with the Pepe new meme coin community. And it is kind of funny to see this community of people who are all in on Pepe because the price was going up. But with the price recently, not looking like it's doing too hot, there's a lot of people getting defensive over it, aggressive, and saying, pointing out everyone saying, like, this is the greatest thing in the world because everyone wants to get rich off of it. But Coinbase actually put out an email talking about meme coin stuff and put a paragraph in there about Pepe that everyone didn't like. And this is one of the responses that someone had to kind of Coinbase going against it. And it's just so funny. This person says Coinbase is a $15 billion company and they just destroyed themselves and their reputation to the entire world. They are so against giving our Pepe community what we want. They would rather burn themselves to the ground than tell you. That tells you everything. And then that hashtag there, delete Coinbase, was, I think, trending for a little bit, not anymore, but that is so crazy that you could think that you matter so much that this entire $15 billion company needs to do whatever your community says. I just think this is a hilarious response to this stuff. Coinbase, obviously not like some great saint, fantastic company that does everything right and is the best thing to use to buy crypto. But to think that Coinbase owes you something because you have this meme coin, but the only reason you want them to list the meme coin is because you think the price will go up when they list it. You only want to make more money, right? That's the only thing you want. You don't care that it's not on Coinbase. You only care because you think there's a way to profit from that happening. And it probably didn't help too much that Gemini here apparently listed Pepe, which brought a bunch of attention to it, saying how everyone's going to leave Coinbase and go to Gemini and this and that. And everyone's saying Coinbase is dead. Gemini is the greatest thing in the world. So it is hilarious to see the entire meme coin thing come back to this one meme coin that everyone was super hyped on, that exploded in value and made some people who were very early or either very lucky or developers who made a ton of money. And then anybody who bought that top is absolutely devastated and looking for ways to get rich because they were sold the dream to put $100 in and take $1 million out. But they put their $100 in and it's only worth $80 now, $60. So they got sold the wrong dream. I mean, you can just look at this price. Like, this is a chart of a coin that looks like the hype is over. It reached the top and is coming down from it. And it's probably not something that people want to hear, right? The people who are in this coin want to get rich, right? There is nothing other than getting rich from this meme coin. That's the only thing anybody wants. There's no other reason for it to exist. And when you have a situation like that, then you get to this point where this peak, people are in absolute denial that that could have been the peak because they were sold the dream of the people back here who bought in and made some money, or developers who made a bunch of money, or people on the inside. Usually it's not normal people buying these things and making millions of dollars. Normally there's some sort of insider there. You're a developer, you have an advantage in actually making this money. But people are in complete denial, thinking that this couldn't possibly be the top, and there's going to be a day where Pepe is a $10 billion, $100 billion coin. I've even seen people tweeting out saying that this Pepe coin is only 380x from flipping Bitcoin, which is like, if you're looking at flipping Bitcoin for a coin that everyone's only in to get rich, I don't know what to tell you. But this was the email that Coinbase sent out. They put it's Coinbase Bytes, I think they say. I think it's like a newsletter type thing of them coming out. They say like meme coins are having another moment, key cryptoverse quotes and noteworthy numbers, and they have like top coins things or prices and stuff. And they have the crypto traders putting serious sums into meme coins and Bitcoin NFTs, so talking about ordinals and things. So it's just kind of a big news thing going on. But there's one paragraph in here that people are talking about, which is this one right here, right? So it says what you should know about Pepe, the meme coin of the moment. And then they say Pepe, which was issued on 3 weeks ago with a comically huge supply, 420 trillion tokens. Funny number, right? The token is based off of the Pepe the Frog meme, which first surfaced on the internet nearly 20 years ago as a comic strip character. Over time, it has been co-opted as a hate symbol by alt-right groups, according to the Anti-Defamation League. So that's what people are very mad about right now with Coinbase, is them saying that it's a hate symbol of something, and it's just kind of a meme that's been around for a while. I know there's a history of Pepe and things of people trying to take it to use it to do something. It's a crazy story. It's been around for a long time, but I don't think anyone really looks at a Pepe meme as a hate symbol thing. So this is kind of just like a Google of something and throwing it together, and that's probably why a lot of people aren't too happy. Especially because if this Coinbase thing, one of the biggest exchanges in the world, is saying that this Pepe thing is a hate symbol and this, and it's all negative press, all the people who are holding this coin, who only hold it to hope to get rich, are now worried that this news that maybe is a little construed in a certain way that isn't necessarily 100% true, but that this news from Coinbase is going to destroy their value of their meme coin that they only bought to get rich. So that's where you get everybody fighting back. And apparently they fought back enough, because you have someone from Coinbase here, the chief legal officer, saying, "We screwed up and we are sorry. Yesterday we shared an overview of the Pepe meme coin to provide a fact-based picture of a trending topic. This did not provide the whole picture of the history of the meme, and we apologize to the community." So you can see, obviously, they got enough of an uproar. I mean, Delete Coinbase was trending for a little bit, so they probably see all that and say, well, we should probably address this and go up to say whatever, do their apology tour. But ultimately, I mean, they're not going to really do anything. I don't know if Coinbase would list Pepe. It wouldn't surprise me to see them list it, because Coinbase is in the league of making money. They're a company, right? So if something is trending and super trendy right now, which is Pepe, and there's a ton of people trading it, buying and selling, that means there's a ton of money to be made by Coinbase on fees for buying and selling. So it wouldn't shock me to see them list it and try and make money from it. That's Coinbase's whole business model, really. But the whole situation is absolutely hilarious, that people think that for some reason, because they hold a frog meme token, that they're entitled to Coinbase listing the token to pump the price, because they just want to get rich, and are angry when Coinbase isn't listing the thing and going off when they post something about it. It's all just a crazy, hilarious thing when you have people saying that Coinbase is fighting for crypto people, and then you have the people who are holding this meme token saying that Coinbase is fighting against us and all we want to do is make money. So it's just funny to see it all break down, and how Coinbase continues to stay a topic of discussion. But that's going to do it for this video. As always, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.